Top 5 kitchen colors for your white countertop. Welcome to Sunday Samail. Number 1. The black and white. Some things never go out of style, like the classic black and white combo. White countertops that can be paired with black touches. You can think about cabinet hardware, light fixtures, or a black backsplash. It's a timeless winner. Number 2. White and white combo. Pair white cabinets and countertops with gold accents like fixtures, cabinet handles, or even golden framed artwork. This combo brings an air of opulence and refinement to your cooking space. Number 3. One of my most favorite combo, the white and blue. This combination enhances the kitchen brightness and the sense of space, while that blue adds characters and a pop of personality. It's a modern yet timeless look, perfect for those who want to infuse their space with color while maintaining an elegant airy feel. Number 4. White and beige. This pair enhances the natural light, enhancing the overall kitchen's brightness. While the beige brings a cozy atmosphere, it's a versatile look that easily accommodates personal touches and complements various flooring choices, and it's practical for your everyday use. Number 5. The white and the grey combo. Choosing a light grey for a Scandinavian inspired look or a darker grey for a more modern feel, you can consider adding textured elements like subway tiles as a backsplash for visual interest. Save this reel for your future reference and follow Salman Serves for more such interior design insights.